Let's talk about the zero slope thermodynamics. In previous class we talk about the temperature. We saw that the temperature is nothing but is the measurement of kinetic energies. Now we talk about the energy. Basically energy is the capacity to do work. Let's understand what is the energy, then we go to the thermal equilibrium. The energy, basically it is when, for example, you lift, for this is overall this pen, okay. So overall work is something action when opposing force, means first we talk about the work. So when we talk about work is nothing, it is the action against an opposite force. When such a action is appear like in gravity, we lift this, the we action to the against our opposing force, which is the gravity. So basically work is the action against opposite force, action against an opposite force, opposing force, basically opposing force, okay. So energy is the capacity, the maximum capacity of work. For example, if this is the pen, now it has the energy 0 because there is no with the work done. Now we lift this, okay. So this is our maximum capacity. So this is called the energy from 0 to this maximum. So energy is required, the action which do by the help of energy, means the capacity with the energy is basically capacity of to do work, means of a system, basically. So let's understand, assuming this again, you are running in like in a one round of surf of the field, basically. So this, when you run, so from starting to the your maximum limit for you say 2 to 3 round, and then you feel tired. So this is your maximum thing, then you can't run after the 3 round. So this is the energy from starting round to the maximum round. So this is called energy, okay. This is the energy, basically. So using this real life, basically when talk the chemistry, like in a motor work with chemical reaction occurs, then motor lift to the bar and the energy occurs. So when we talk about the energy, it means like basically the capacity of do work, means when a maximum capacity, one second, okay, when we have a like in work is the maximum the from starting to the after you do not doing work. So this level of it from start 0 to this do the thing which help you from achieving that position is like a call of energy. If you understand the energy, so energy is called capacity to do work, basically over, okay. Now we talk about the thermal equilibrium. This is the main important, okay. Thermal equilibrium, in previous class we talk about the closed system. Basically closed system means we talk that in a closed system, like in our like in a basically we say where we keep in a T on this basically thermos. So in that case this is the system where energy only flow but material can't flow, okay. So we have a system 1, this is our system. Second is the system B. Both are closed system, because since closed system means neither say material A goes out nor the B, okay. Suppose this is the TB temperature, and the temperature of A is greater than temperature of B, okay. Now we place the A and B in close, basically very close, okay. Now separating, but if it say attached or very separate, little separate, okay. Now here the temperature of A, the temperature of B, we see that after some time the temperature of both A and temperature of both B are equal, means the temperature of A is equal to temperature of B. What does this mean? It means that the temperature of A, temperature of B means energy transfer separately overall, and that case the energy transfer properly but net transfer 0. So this is the overall meaning of the thermally equal, means now they are equal but thermally. you feel like in how can this explain, since we understanding science with understanding the real life thing. Using a glass of hot water, okay, we see that if we closed this, okay, with the help of pot, now we after of some time the temperature of glass is set down. Means for example, if the temperature is 20, now it's 20 degree, it's previously for example 100 degree. 100 degree, this is quite big, but so let's assume now we see that the temperature of the glass where the tea is cup of the where the tea is on the glass, we see that the temperature is now drop. Okay, you do by own. So this is an example of thermally. Now this is the thermal equilibrium with the surrounding basically. But if we say this example, we again say that for example this is our glass of A and here the glass of B. Okay, attached together, no liquid transfer, cover up this all these by lid. We see that after some time the both temperature are equal. So how this temperature is equal means energy flow from higher to lower. This is called basically heat. Basically heat means the transfer of energy from lower to higher to lower, and the temperature difference. So the definition of thermal equilibrium, you see that this is the I already told. So the thermal equilibrium means due to the temperature difference when a system A and system B placed each other like in separated, basically not flowing, no transfer of liquid. So with that, since both are in the closed system, the energy only flow. Okay, we see that the temperature of A is equal to temperature of B. Energy is still transfer, but the net flow is zero because overall same energy level. So this is called thermal equilibrium. That is, if due to the energy transfer temperature A is temperature B is called thermal equilibrium. Both are closed system, so the energy transfer share each other, means energy now both the temperature is same energy level. So this equilibrium is called. You see that now the room temperature and the cup is same side, both cup is same side, is same temperature. This is called equilibrium thermally, that is temperature. Okay, I hope you understand, you imagine what I am saying. If you feel any doubt, you have any doubt, please drop in the comment section. And in next class, heat we already again we'll discuss in heat class. Then zeroth law, basically very important thing. Okay, then we go to the work energy we go the thermodynamics, and further we go the first law of thermodynamics, delta U plus V. Okay, I hope you understand. If you understand, like and subscribe. Bye bye. And if you any doubt, any feedback, please give the comment section. We will meet in next class. Bye bye.